Hello mga mamshi. I went to shopping today. I went to the Burberry and mag-unbox ako. May nabili ako dito kasi on sale sila 70% sa premium outlet, si Houston Premium Outlet. Lahat ng outlet nagsi-sale sila ng 70% plus 20%. So, ito yung nakuha ko. A t-shirt. Sale siya. So, it's rounded. This is a medium. Ganda siya. Simple lang. Maganda. And then, I have another one. I like this. It's a brown. See? It's brown. There is a Burberry here. And see? And then I have a coat here. Ito yung time. This is the time you buy for the coat because they are on sale. They only 70% plus 20% off. So, dati siyang 1 to 50. Ito yung inaabangan-abangan ko. Kaso hindi ako maka-afford. Ang mahal pag hindi sale. Naka-timing ako. I went there and then it was on sale. So, nag-ano na lang sila. 450. This is small. Maganda siya. Very warm. Ito yung gusto ko sa Burberry kasi maganda siya. Tapos, may ano siya, zipper. Tapos, may button in there. So, it's nice for the winter. Very nice for the winter, guys. Mga mamshi, sugod na kayo while nag-sale sila. Kasi kung hindi sale, mahal. Hindi ako maka-afford. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng heads up na nag-sale ang Burberry. Sino yung may mga Burberry lovers dyan? See, it's nice. Very nice. I love it. Match kami ng daughter ko. So, I love it. Oh, grab na kayo. Punta na kayo. Mag-shopping na kayo. Treat yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.